What if you had an AI assistant grounded on your content that understood the context of your business? Using AI that isn't fully informed on your content could lead to inaccurate responses or expose sensitive information, putting your organization at risk. OpenText Core Content Management, an intelligent SaaS content management platform, includes OpenText Content Aviator AI Content Assistant in all subscriptions. It uses generative AI to help you find, understand, and act on your content. Getting started is simple. Accept the usage terms in the administration UI under Intelligent Workspaces. Then select Workspaces to enable Content Aviator. To find information, use conversational search to ask questions like, show me payslips from the past 180 days where the salary is greater than $1,000. Searches incorporate content, metadata, and contextual cues, like chat history, to return more relevant results than keywords alone. For example, you can ask questions like, only show PDFs, to narrow results as you chat. To keep content secure, Content Aviator respects permissions, so users only see what they're authorized to access. To quickly understand content, you can summarize documents or workspaces, compare documents, or translate text. Stay on task by finding context directly within your content management platform. Use Content Aviator to accelerate workflows. Draft an email or document, visualize data in a graph or table, or automatically extract metadata during document upload. Search using natural language, instantly understand content and context, and automate everyday tasks. With Content Aviator, your content stays secure and is never used for AI training. Turn content into actionable insight. Start using OpenText Content Aviator today in OpenText Core Content Management.